Everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Cut a fruit foam net, roll it, tie a thread at the center and make pom-pom balls. Here we are making colorful flowers. So make 6 such pom-pom balls and combine all of them together. Put a yellow foam net at the center, make 10 such flowers and put them all on the sheet of paper. Draw its leaves spaced apart and it's ready. Take a yellow foam net, make V cuts on both its edges, paste all of them together using hot glue gun. Again we are going to make small cuts on the foam net and combine all of them together. Here we are making a little hat, so combine them and cover the bottom part as well. We are also pasting these bow at the end and look, it is ready. Let's make beautiful cherries using red foam net. So roll it and tie it using this thread. Now make balls, cut 2 leaves and paste all of them together, the leaves and the cherry like this. Cover it using floral net and it's ready. Cut yellow and white foam net and combine them together using hot glue gun. Roll it and make a shape like this. Here we are making the bird. So make a ball and cut another foam net. Make V cuts at the end like we are doing here. Combine all of them together and paste like we are doing here. Paste its beaks, its eyes, and look, your bird is ready. Take a foot foam net and cut it from both its ends. We are making V cuts here. Now we are going to paste it using hot glue gun and give it a shape of boat like this. Paste handles from both its sides like this on the top of it and a yellow flower, and then look, your boats are ready. Let's make penguin. Today we are going to cover this plastic bottle using black foam net. Similar way, using white foam net, cover the front, and we are going to make a ball and cut it. We are making the head. Similar way, paste its wings, and like we are doing here, paste googly eyes, its beak, and it's ready. Let's make fun craft. We are making dinosaur using fruit foam net. Make the body using yellow foam net and we are cutting the spikes using green. Similar way, paste its white ball's eyes, and look, it is ready. Fold this pink fruit foam net and tie a thread at the center. Cut it, make a large ball like this. Keep it aside. Now we are going to make a cone. So fold this paper and put the ball on the top. Roll it and put this white clay around it, and look, your ice cream is ready. Let's make these red apples. So take a red foam net, roll it, tie a knot at the center. Again roll it and make an oval shape. Now cut the leaves by cutting this green crepe paper. Paste all of them together, dab it inside, and look, it is ready. We are going to make these cute animals using fruit foam net. So make different size of small balls and paste all of them together. Here we are making the face of the lion. So put orange pom-pom balls around the head. Similar way, make its legs, and look, it is ready. Let's make this mushroom shaped lamp. We are going to cut this plastic bottle and cover it using white foam net. Paste it using hot glue gun. Put another red cover on the top of it using red foam net and make a shape of mushroom. Put a fairy light and it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.